Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for The Elder Scrolls IV, Oblivion Remastered error code 0x80000004. The error reads, "The game has crashed." As per our research, the error comes when players try to launch the game. Many users have shared that they encountered this crash on startup. According to our research, this error can come because of outdated drivers, corrupt game files, Xbox app issues, overlays, or system requirement mismatches. The first thing you should try is to restart your device along with your network hardware. Then check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then make sure the game is updated to its latest version. If the game is up to date but the error still comes, then try running the game as an administrator. If running as administrator doesn't help, then try updating your graphics drivers. Make sure your drivers are up to date with their latest versions and then check for the error. If the error still comes, then repair the Xbox app. To do this, go to Settings, then select Apps. Then select Installed Apps if you're using Windows 11 or Apps and Features if you're using Windows 10. Then search for Xbox. Then click the three dots next to the Xbox. Then select Advanced Options. Then click on Repair. If Repair doesn't work, then select Reset. After that, reopen the Xbox app and check for the error. If repairing the Xbox app didn't help, then try deleting the corrupted executable files and verifying the game. Here is how you can do it. Open the Xbox app and go to My Library. Then select the game. Then click on the three dots next to the game and select Manage. Then under the Files tab, click Browse to open the game's installation directory. Then navigate to The Elder Scrolls IV, Oblivion Remastered content, Oblivion Remastered binaries, WinGK. Then delete all files in the folder, but don't delete the folder itself. Then return to the Xbox app and go to My Library. Then select Manage. Then select Files. Then select Verify and Repair. Then wait for the verification process to complete. After that, close the Xbox app completely by checking Task Manager and ending any Xbox-related processes. Then relaunch the Xbox app and start the game, and see if the error still comes. If you still get the error, then simply go to the settings of apps like Discord, NVIDIA GeForce Experience, or MSI Afterburner and disable overlays. Also, make sure to close unnecessary apps using Task Manager and see if this helps with the issue. If disabling overlays didn't help, then check your system specifications. Make sure your PC meets the minimum requirements. If your system does not meet these specs, then crashes and errors are more likely. If your system meets the requirements and you're done with all the previous steps but still facing the error, then try reinstalling the game. Simply uninstall the game and restart your device. Then reinstall the game and check for the error again. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.